see the numerical. A fish seems to be 6 centimeter below water surface. Okay. Given that the refractive index of water is 1.4, what is the actual depth of the fish below water surface? Seems to be means we have apparent depth which is equal to 6 centimeter. Refractive index of water is equal to 1.4, and we have to find actual depth. Actual depth means real depth. We have to find real depth. So we will apply the formula of refractive index. We know that refractive index is equal to real depth upon apparent depth. Since we have to find the real depth, so we will arrange this formula in terms of real depth. So real depth is equal to refractive index multiply apparent depth. Third step, we will put the value of refractive index and apparent depth, which will become real depth is equal to 1.4 multiplied by 6. So real depth is equal to 8.4 centimeter. Now let's see the next numerical. An air bubble trapped 6 centimeter from the side of a glass block as shown. Given that the refractive index of glass is 1.5, how far does the air bubble seems to be? Seems to be means we have to find apparent depth. So here we have a glass block and an air bubble is trapped in the glass block which is 6 centimeter below from the upper surface of the glass. Okay. So this is the real depth. So real depth is equal to 6 centimeter. Refractive index is equal to 1.5. Okay, refractive index of glass, and we have to find apparent depth. Okay. Now let's see how will it be solved. Refractive, as usual, we will apply the same formula. Refractive index is equal to real depth upon apparent depth. Since we have to find the apparent depth, so we will arrange this formula in terms of apparent depth. So apparent depth is equal to real depth upon refractive index. Apparent depth is equal to 6 divided by 1.5. So which is equal to 4 centimeter. So we have got the result apparent depth which is equal to 4 centimeter. Now let's see another one numerical. The refractive index of diamond is 2.42. So here we have refractive index of diamond which is equal to 2.42. If the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 power 8. Student, this is 3 into 10 power 8. It is not 108. It is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So speed of light in air is 3 into 10 power 8. Then find the speed of light in diamond. So here we have to find the speed of light in diamond. Okay. So here we have speed of light in air is equal to 3 into 10 power 8. Okay. Refractive index of diamond is 2.42 and we have to find speed of light in diamond. So student, we will apply the formula. Refractive index is equal to speed of light in air. Now student, listen. Speed of light in air or the speed of light in vacuum is represented by small c. One thing keep in your mind, speed of light in air or the speed of light in vacuum is represented by small c, while the speed of light in any other medium, diamond, water, glass, is represented by v. I am repeating it again. The speed of light in air or the speed of light in vacuum is represented by small c, while the speed of light in any other medium is represented by v. Okay. Now student, we will apply the formula. Refractive index is equal to speed of light in air c upon speed of light in diamond. Okay. Since we have to find the speed of light in diamond, So we will arrange this formula in terms of V. V is equal to C upon N. V is equal to C upon N. Okay, N is equal to C upon V. V is equal to C upon N. In the next step, we will put the value of C and N. So this is not 108, it is 10 power 8. 3 into 10 power 8 divide 2.42. We will divide 3 by 2.42, which is equal to 1.239 into 10 power 8. So 1.239 into 10 power 8. So we have got the result. We have got the value of speed of light in diamond, which is 1.239 to 10 power 8 meter per second. Glass has a refractive index of 1.5. If the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 power 8, okay? This is 10 power 8, 3 into 10 power 8. Then find the speed of light in glass. Simply, we have a speed of light in air which is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Refractive index of glass is 1.5 and we have to find the speed of light in glass. Simply we will apply the formula. N is equal to C upon V and V is equal to C upon N. So V is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 divide 1.5. So finally we have got the result. V is equal to 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So we have got the result. We have found the speed of light in the glass, which is V is equal to 2 into 10 power 8. Thank you very much.